Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah, who is most mighty and most merciful. So in this video, we will create another project of JavaScript. I am going to create here a random number generator. Wait, not a random number generator, a different thing. Let me try. First of all, there will be a button of plus and minus. I will show you how can you create a value of plus and minus for your cart website. Let's start. You need here two buttons on the off. Right here on click A plus. On click 2 will be minus, that will be B. Paragraph hash n, the number. Right here the script, and you can now write function a document dot get element by the ID. The ID is a. Go to the home and let a equal to. Now write a, not a, if it's clicking. So n dot inner n dot value plus 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 dot n dot inner html equal to n dot value plus 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 n dot value. Wait. Okay, if I finish that, wait. A dot on click equal to n dot value. Wait, okay. We will call it n2. Function a will be what? N dot inner html equal to plus plus plus. Wait. Plus equal to 1 plus 1 Okay, come here, wait. Alert, hello. There is not any alert message. Write a script and n. First function a is on click. N dot inner html. What is n? Document dot get element by the ID. And dot add event listener. Wait, no. value equal to plus. Wait, if I write it and semicolon, wait, okay, now it's working. Like this. Okay, dot inner HTML. The one is here. If 1 plus 0 equal to 1 plus 0. Wait, we have to above the value. I will show you two tricks. One is here and we have to show 2. So we need one more function. On click C function and 1 plus 1. Function C and then we need a n minus function. B on click function another function that is going to be D. Great. Now B and D. Wait. 1 minus 1. Zero minus 1. Wait. That will be D and that will be B. B, wait, we have to do minus 0 and minus . Okay, there will be 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. There is 1. Now there is 2. There is 0. There is 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. Now 1 click. Double click. On click is B. 2 minus 1. And D is double click to that. Okay, it's working. Now number 2 is the easiest one. You have to only write input input number, save it, and there you go. So here we can get a decreasing and increasing button. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.